हेलो हेलो एवरीवन। हाँ, थोड़े आगे चलाते हैं फिर देखते हैं। Hello, so this is mic testing 1 2 3, and I hope that now there is no popping sound and everything is all right, and you can also enjoy the view. I'll check the settings when I just stop somewhere. Okay, I hope there is no popping sound now. There was this constant popping sound because of I think the noise cancellation, the wind noise cancellation that the GoPro was trying to do. This off-road patch is the most beautiful patch in our town, and I love coming here as it has a lot of greenery and it is quite unexplored and quite distant from the city, and I love this place. Now let's check. Let's start. So I hope now the mic is working fine. I had checked the previous recording and it was working really good. So the solutions that I used to actually just get rid of the unwanted noise was turning off the wind noise in the GoPro settings, because it was trying to cancel out the wind noise, and the second mic actually has a wind filter. We call it dead cat. So let's see, let's go to my favorite place today if the sunset allows us. So yeah, can you see the sunset? Let me check if the recording is on. Recording is on. एक कुत्ता देख भाई कितना हरामी है। So check this out. So, hello everyone. So, now you need to comment down how should I make content and what should be the specific topics that I need to cover. And there is an upcoming video that I'm working on that would be the love letter to my CB350 RS, and it would be a great video, I promise you that. Is amazing. But I ensure that on the turns and corners I take my bike slow, because we should never do more than our capability and more than our vision, because it's quite a risk, and the risk to reward ratio is not that great. So please be sure. And I know I'm not wearing riding gears, but I will surely get them within a month or so. So I hope you're loving the twisties and turns that are coming on this road. And I have actually uploaded the video earlier. So see the sunset, yeah, that's beautiful, and I'm loving it a lot. So I hope you know JCB Khudai, and that's not happening right now. But if it would, I would stop my bike and just watch it for hours and hours, because that's the peak male content that anyone can watch. The sunset. So I'm going to go for the first service very soon. I'm planning a trip to Dapoli this Sunday, hopefully, and that would be a great trip. And now the monsoons have finally paused for a long while, and it feels better now actually, but the heat has actually increased, and it's quite means the temperature is quite high now, and that is also a bit of problem, but better than the rainy season, because rainy season is like you can't go anywhere. So see this, guys. I hope it's recording. You see this, the life of a village, just amazing. This man has no urgency of doing anything. He's in his own pace. The life goes on and he's doing his work, and we, the people that have been in this rat race, are just constantly running behind nothing. I was in Mumbai, and when I visited the local railways, it was quite a different experience. People were just rushing to back to work, and it was feeling like, why are they running so much like an madman? And so this is my favorite place. See this, the sunset, that feels so surreal and amazing. Are you able to see? And this road, the curve that it has, it feels so amazing. So this feels like an heaven. See this, I'm going towards the sun. See this, isn't it amazing? Just let's enjoy the sunset a little bit. Watch it. I think we need to slow down a bit in our life and think, what are we missing and what do we really wanted to do in our life, and what are we doing right now. Hello guys, this is the same place where I created the video that I needed some breathe, and this is what I called my happy spot, and it feels so amazing. And the silence that this place brings in my life, that's so amazing, and I love this place for that reason. And I want you once to come here. I have visited places like Matheran and other places, but nothing feels so good as this place. And Matheran vlog is coming soon, and it's an amazing vlog. Means not that kind of amazing, but it is something else, and you will enjoy it. Thanks guys, and please support. It's quite initial stage of our channel, and thank you guys.